Have you ever pondered over the question of how to host a website? It might seem like a task reserved for the tech-savvy, but today, we're going to simplify it into easy, manageable steps. First things first, you need a website. It could be a blog, an online store, a portfolio. Whatever it is, you need to have the website built and ready. This can be done using website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, or by coding it from scratch if you're feeling adventurous. Next, you'll need a domain name. This is the address where internet users can access your website. Think of it as your online real estate. You can purchase a domain name from domain registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost. Now, on to the meat of the matter, the hosting part. Web hosting is where your website lives on the internet. It's the physical location of your website on the internet. An online storage center that houses the information, images, video, and other content that your website contains. You can choose from different types of hosting plans like shared hosting, VPS hosting, or dedicated hosting, depending on your needs and budget. Once you've chosen a web host, you need to connect your domain name to your web hosting account. This process varies depending on your web host and domain registrar, but generally involves entering your web host's DNS, domain name system, addresses into your domain registrar's settings. After your domain and hosting are connected, you can then upload your website to your hosting account. If your website was built with a website builder, this is usually as simple as clicking a publish button. If you coded your website from scratch, you'll need to use an FTP, File Transfer Protocol client, to upload your website files to your hosting account. Finally, after your website has been uploaded, you should test it to make sure it's working properly. You can do this by typing your domain name into your web browser and seeing if your website appears. So, to recap, there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to hosting a website. It might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of patience and perseverance, you'll have your website up and running in no time. Remember, every great website started somewhere, and now, so can yours.